Dean here, A&D, Adventures on Timber Mountain. Well, when I made my road up here, I cleared out a lot of trees to make the road. And it all culminated, I just sold, I don't know, 15, 20 cord out of here. It all culminated, I needed to start on the building of the house and everything. So I just threw everything in a pile. And now's the days, I should say, to start cutting, splitting, not cutting, everything's cut, just splitting and piling. So what I've done is I started working on the pile. I'm lucky, I do have a processor which helps me a lot. Wallenstein makes a good, when I bought it, WP 840 from Wallenstein. It's a zip cord, they call it. What it does actually is this deck here drops down, and on top here you see there's a winch. So the winch, what it does, you cut the tree down, you get this close, get the tree down, and you take the trunk and you start pulling it through. So what happens, it hits that plate which holds everything down, comes through, I'm kind of on the wrong side here, comes through and is cut right here, falls into the splitter, and I've got one ready to go now. And it goes into either a 4-way, or I also have a 6-way when you get into the bigger stuff. And it comes off the chute. What I do when I'm doing this is I put the tractor there, and I figure I do about 2 cord an hour if I'm fed well. It's like everything else. Anyways, good machine. And also I have my faithful K, a Kubota L39. I'm looking to upgrade actually. This is a construction model. I like it because if you got any holes to do or anything like that, it does great work. Trusty little machine, 2005. Like I said, I'm willing to go to the next size up. I think it's a 64 from Kubota, or 640 or something like that from Kubota. Anyway, one of the tools in my arsenal, which I'm very happy to have. The other tool I have, which is helping me tremendously, is this John Deere 160C LC. Great machine. I bought it at a good price, and it's serving its purpose. I brought out 4 logs the day before yesterday, and yesterday I brought out 8 logs. Normally, snow, the reason it's called snow is because it's a white tractor, a 76, so I call it snow white. Anyways, white drags it out with a hitch attachment that I made, which I'm pretty proud of because it's resisting pulling out big stuff like that over there. Some of that is 24 inch, some are a little bit bigger, up to 30 inch, 50 feet long, 40, 50, 60. I've pulled up to 80 feet long with snow. So that's working very well for me also. Anyways, little preview of what I'm doing here, trying to clean this section up here. When I was doing all this work, some of the trees that were up on the hillside were falling over or whatever, and then I got to clean that up too, but first I have to clean this mess first. So doesn't look like much, but when you go see the nice clean pile, it's a nice pile of wood. I also have over there a little conveyor that I'm working on. It's about 12 inch wide by almost 20 feet long, electric. I have a Honda motor that I want to use instead of using electric. Sometimes you're not close enough to electricity, so it's another little project on the go. Thank you for listening.